Here is a beginner-level research and development manager quiz that covers blue sky thinking and innovation strategy, scientific and technological research, and intellectual property, IP and patents management. Let's go. Question 1. The process of developing groundbreaking ideas without immediate practical constraints is called A. Incremental innovation, B. Blue sky thinking, C. Cost optimization, and D. Process improvement. Answer: blue sky thinking. Question 2. Which of the following best describes the primary goal of research and development? A. Long-term innovation and knowledge creation. B. Immediate cost reduction. C. Maximizing production efficiency. And D. Managing day-to-day operations. Answer: long-term innovation and knowledge creation. Question 3. What is the main characteristic of blue sky thinking in R&D? A. Following strict processes. B. Avoiding failure at all costs. C. Exploring radical and creative ideas. And D. Focusing only on current market needs. Answer: exploring radical and creative ideas. Question 4. Which of the following is not a key focus area in technological research? A. Identifying emerging trends. B. Experimenting with new materials. C. Improving scientific methodologies. And D. Monitoring competitors' daily operations. Answer: monitoring competitors' daily operations. Question 5. Which method is commonly used in R&D to test new scientific concepts? A. Hypothesis testing. B. Six Sigma analysis. C. Supply chain optimization. And D. Financial auditing. Answer: hypothesis testing. Question 6. What is the purpose of prototyping in R&D? A. To finalize a mass production strategy. B. To assess and refine new ideas before large-scale implementation. C. To reduce employee turnover. And D. To optimize business expenses. Answer: to assess and refine new ideas before large-scale implementation. Question 7. Which of the following statements about scientific research in R&D is true? A. Research is only useful when it leads to immediate profit. B. Research should only focus on improving existing products. C. R&D teams should avoid taking risks in experimentation. And D. The research process often involves uncertainty and trial and error. Answer: the research process often involves uncertainty and trial and error. Question 8. Which legal mechanism protects an inventor's exclusive rights to a new invention? A. Copyright. B. Trademark. C. Patent. And D. Trade secret. Answer: patent. Question 9. What does intellectual property (IP) management in R&D primarily focus on? A. Preventing competitors from launching similar products. B. Protecting and monetizing innovative ideas. C. Reducing employee wages. And D. Standardizing customer service. Answer: protecting and monetizing innovative ideas. Question 10. A patent grants exclusive rights for how long in most countries? A. 5 years, B. 10 years, C. 20 years, and D. Lifetime ownership. Answer: 20 years. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which type of innovation involves completely new concepts rather than small improvements? A. Incremental innovation, B. Disruptive innovation, C. Sustaining innovation, and D. Process improvement. Answer: disruptive innovation. Question 12. Why is collaboration with universities and research institutions important in R&D? A. To gain access to cutting-edge research and fresh talent. B. To lower manufacturing costs. C. To manage employee performance. And D. To reduce legal risks. Answer: to gain access to cutting-edge research and fresh talent. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of an R&D activity? A. Enhancing production line efficiency. B. Testing a new material for stronger battery performance. C. Creating a marketing campaign for a new product. And D. Hiring new employees for customer service. Answer: testing a new material for stronger battery performance. Question 14. What is a major challenge in R&D innovation? A. The need for immediate return on investment. B. Limited competition in the market. C. The lack of consumer interest in new products. And D. The rapid evolution of technology and market needs. Answer: the rapid evolution of technology and market needs. Question 15. Which R&D strategy focuses on bringing completely new technologies to the market? A. Process optimization. B. Breakthrough innovation. C. Incremental change. And D. Cost reduction strategy. Answer: breakthrough innovation. Question 16. What does a freedom to operate FTO analysis help companies determine? A. Whether they can legally commercialize an invention. B. If an employee is allowed to leave the company. C. The cost effectiveness of a production process. And D. How to optimize supply chain logistics. Answer: whether they can legally commercialize an invention. Question 17. Why do companies file patents for their innovations? A. To share ideas freely with competitors. B. To protect their inventions and gain competitive advantage. C. To speed up the product development cycle. And D. To avoid unnecessary testing of new products. Answer: to protect their inventions and gain competitive advantage. Question 18. Which of the following is a risk in R&D investment? A. High employee turnover. B. The absence of competition in the industry. C. Uncertainty about market adoption of new technologies. And D. Over-optimization of production processes. Answer: uncertainty about market adoption of new technologies. Question 19. Which industry relies most heavily on intellectual property protections? A. Food and beverage. B. Logistics and transportation. C. Retail and fashion. And D. Pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. Answer: pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. Question 20. What is the key reason companies invest in blue sky thinking? A. To focus on short-term efficiency improvements. B. To drive breakthrough innovations that can shape future markets. C. To reduce competition in the market. And D. To limit research activities and save costs. Answer: to drive breakthrough innovations that can shape future markets. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.